How to fix high memory RAM usage in Windows? First step, disable unnecessary startup programs. Many applications launch automatically when Windows start and continue consuming RAM. Open Task Manager, click Startup Apps tab, click it. Disable application you do not need as startup. Scroll down and search it. For example, click and click Disable. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. Next step, search for advanced system settings. Click it. Click Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. One more time, click Advanced. Under Virtual Memory, click Changes. Enable automatically manage paging file size for all drive. Enable it. Once enabling, after click OK in the bottom side. Click Apply and OK. And click Restart now. After restarting, next step, search for Windows Security. Click it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Quick Scan and wait for some time. Once the scanning complete, after close it. Next step, disable background apps. For this you need to click Settings, click App Settings, click Installed App. For example, I'm clicking a three dot icon. Click Advanced option. Under Background App Permission, click it and click Never or Power Optimized. It depends on you. I'm choosing the Power Optimized. Close it. Next step, click Settings, click System Settings, click Display Settings, roll down, click Graphics Settings, click Advanced Graphics Settings, disable hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. Once disabled, after you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Click Settings, click System Settings, click Storage Settings, click Temporary Files. Once the loading complete, after you need to click the temporary files and select the files you are going to remove. Come back, enable the storage sense. It will automatically free up the space. Enable it and restart your device. Thank you.